Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Johnny V from Cuciniamo with Johnny V, and today is January 6th, the Epiphany of our Lord, when the three wise men came and visited baby Jesus. It is also the day after the La Befana came and filled stockings, and she filled our stockings last night. You could see her flying over our stockings by our gas-powered fire stove. Um, and she fills them just with little treats or little presents. I got a Wawa gift card, which I go to Wawa every morning and buy my coffee before I start my day with work. So that is what I got. And the story of La Befana is the three wise men had stopped at her place to ask if she knew where the Christ child was, because they were on their way looking for him. And she gave them directions or helped them with directions, and they asked her to go along to help find him, and she refused or did not want to go. But then later on, she regretted it, so she's got on her broom and flew around looking throughout the land for the Christ child, and she would stop at houses looking, where kids are and seeing if that was the Christ child. And while she was there, she would just leave them little treats in their stockings. So that's sums it up in a small thing about La Befana, and you could see that as well here, the story of La Befana. Anyway, the reason for this post or this video is actually to tell you about an exciting thing that's coming up this Saturday that we'll be doing here at my house. And it's my family getting together with a long-standing tradition that we had taken a break from, just one due to COVID, and now finally getting back in the swing of things because we have a big enough place, or I have a big enough place that could possibly accommodate everybody, because we used to go to a club that we would use and make these stuffed olives. So these are called Olive Ascolane, and they come from the Marche region of Italy. And my family has been making these for years. My mother, my aunts, my grandmother, and family friends as well have been doing it within their families as well. Typically, you make them around Christmas, the holiday seasons, but with the holidays being what they are and chaotic and everybody's busy, we've moved it to January or February when we do them. And this way, then we have them to eat earlier in the year. They're an appetizer. So stuffed olives are made with pork and chicken, or at least we make them with pork and chicken that we cook. First we roast it, and then we cook it in gravy. We call it gravy. But normally your typical pasta sauce, your Sunday sauce that you would make, we then cook it in gravy, and then we grind that meat up, season it with different seasonings, and then we stuff them into green olives that are spiral cut, and then floured, dipped in egg, breaded, and then you fry them and you eat them and you enjoy them. So we're going to be doing that this Saturday with all of my family coming here to do it. It is a laborious job. It takes a long time. Typically, we make about 2,000 olives. This year, we're cutting that in half, just to cut down the time it takes, because we start early in the morning and we don't finish till about 8, 9 o'clock at night. So hopefully we can cut that down to be a little bit shorter, have some fun, get the kids involved, so that they can start learning the tradition and hopefully continue the tradition when we are all gone, just like my parents and my aunts and uncles have all now passed on, or most of them have passed on, and they are no longer here to do it. But this is how we learned. We learned helping them out. So look for the video Sunday or Monday, because obviously I'm not going to be filming it live, but just wanted to give you a heads up so you can look out for it and see what we do. And hopefully you like it. So have a great day and see you later.